I'm just trying to back to your care app, since since you want the whole population to have it, and if they have the app, they should take it everywhere they go. So us students also bring our phones to school. Since you said 70% of the population is below 40, so that's like 40% is like in high school, and high school. Okay, maybe 20%. 20%. So 20% is in high school, and since the schools are like the COVID-19 restrictions aren't really practiced there, shouldn't we bring our phones to school?
The good thing about coming to school is that you have a set class, right? You know who's in your class. So if tomorrow you have COVID-19, God forbid, when they ask you who you have been in close contact with, you'll know everybody in your class. So you can give them your name. But when you go around other places outside school hours, then you can obviously, use your phone. Like in the evenings, you may go out to the cinema or go somewhere else.
Just furthermore that, just because we are not allowed to bring our phones to school, and also after school we're not allowed to use our phones in public. So just because we'll be interacting with the public, and also during lunchtime, recess, with the rest of the whole school. So I don't understand.
So look, I assume that your school policy is not to bring a phone to school, and you're using a backdoor way to get the phone into the school. Look, I think if that's the policy, that has to be managed, within the school. I suppose if you have it, and even though you may interact with other students in the school, we may need to lock down the entire school. But the trick is to get home really quickly. Don't interact with many people, and then as soon as you get home, then you try and use your phone. But these are the things that can be managed. In respect of bringing phones to school, that's something I think is your school or Ministry of Education policy, which I don't obviously comment on. But a good try.